I lost one of my 5 watermelons that was growing to bugs. Look at those bugs that's on there. Coming in here eating the watermelon. Oh, come on, watermelons, y'all stay growing. Bugs stay off the watermelons. Okay, I got this one right here. Got one still going right there. Come on, watermelon. And one over there. Come on. Yeah, come on and keep growing for me. Oh, lost this one. I look closely at it. Look like snails eating it up. Oh, what can I do to get rid of these snails? I don't want them to eat the rest of my watermelons. As I was observing the other one that was next to the watermelon that got eaten up by the snails, I found another one growing. So one got ate up and another one is growing in its place. Oh, let me see. Anybody else hiding underneath the leaves that I hadn't seen yet? Oh, where you at? Okay, come on now. You gotta keep growing now. Don't die on me. Okay, look like the little ones, the sun is killing them here. Hey, dying out on me. Let's see anymore. Okay, I got one more growing. Okay, come on. So I got those 2. And one up front that's still big. Okay. Come on, watermelons. Let's see if I see anything else under here. No more watermelons hidden underneath the leaves. Okay, good. Come on, y'all stay growing big. Don't let the bugs eat you, please. Don't let the bugs eat you.